lovelies, welcome to my channel. So for today I've got this lovely protective hairstyle. Took me all of 10 minutes to do this, so if you want to see how to do this, stay tuned. The product I'm gonna be using will be my Eco Styler. I've got a big jar of Eco Styler gel, spray bottle. I've got a bit of conditioner here, I've got a bit of water, and I've got a bit of oil in it. Hair with water style is really good for like winter protective hairstyle. So I'm gonna just spritz it all over my hair like an old wash and go. So yeah, so I still have gel in my hair, so I'm just gonna spritz water. This is like proper wet now. So now my hair is wet, it's easily manageable. So I'm gonna now just do like a center pat. I'm not too fussed about it being super straight. My Eco Styler gel, and just start packing gel all over. There's already gel on the hair, like I said. So I'm just gonna start slicking it down. So I'm just putting gel all over. And this hair is really good for the winter. It will come into, December will be next week. So it's really good for just the winter because it's a protective style. It just puts your hair in place. I do this all the time. I'm now gonna get my brush. I got this from the beauty supply shop. I'm just gonna slick it down like so. This brush does is just makes it quite smooth. So this brush just smooths it in place. Lay my edges. I'm gonna use this. It looks like. I'm just gonna do one to the side here. Something like so. As well as some hair to the front. No pocket at the back. Tie my hair with a scarf just to lay the edges properly, because I want to do this as a protective style. I'm just gonna pack the back and do it as a nice bond. Just gonna open it up like so to my rubber band and kind of wave it around like so. I'm going to put this scrunchie in. I'm gonna just put the scrunchie in like so, just to tuck in the hair in. So what the scarf does, it just lays it, because you see it was just coming off every 2 minutes now and then. The scarf just lays it down. So this is the final look, guys. It's a very nice protective style, especially for this winter. It just tucks everything in and it just gives it just takes so fast to do, and it's very cute as well. So it kind of protects the hair in this, you know, it's getting really cold now. So, you know, if you want something quick and nice and easy to do, look no further. So yeah. So I hope that you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, join the Carris family. Bye.